So first I talked about the stock in the month of November 2020, and since then it has already up by 230 to 40%. And the kind of trend it has shown, it is giving us the confidence that there are another levels on the upside that are yet to be seen. So hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about the long-term chart of Grand Tierra Energy, and check out my previous videos so you can get a sense of how the trend has developed over a period of last couple of months. And in this video we are going to discuss something important which has recently happened. So let's start now. Just focus on this line. Okay, the stock has recently crossed this line. What does it means? So this point is 9.92 cents. Now this was the resistance where the stock has made a double bottom kind of thing in the latter part of 2000, I think latter part of 2006, and then started moving on the upside. Now after this support the stock has been on the upside. Now it was broken in the year 2019 and it has become a resistance. Now as it moves up above 0.92 again, it will become a support and the old trend has activated. So that's why the stock must not fall below 0.92 right now. Otherwise there is no need to carry any further positions on the downside. Okay, so that is the first thing. Now second thing, we need some sort of confirmation for this, uh, so that we can actually confirm that it's going to go on the upside. So for that, so anyhow you have your stop loss at 0.92, and once the stock started moving above 1.10 or 1.11, that's where we get the confirmation that now the target after 1.10 will be this one. Okay, so here we have, that is 2.04. So we will restrict ourselves till 2.04. There is a reason for that, because previously in the previous I would say decade, the stock has taken support multiple times on this level. Now after the breakdown, this will become your one of the most important resistance. So for the time being we are not going to go beyond 2.04. Once it successfully makes a breakout above that, then a whole new level will open up, and that we will reanalyze the chart later on. But for the time being, what we need to understand is an important breakout I would say above 0.92. So 0.92 will be your stop loss, and below 0.92 there is no need to carry any further thing on the downside. On the upside you have a first target or confirmation level at 1.10, and once it get crossed, the target we are looking at here will be 2.04. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.